This is a demonstration of a change in the behavior of BoxEmbedCode. Right now you're seeing my Chrome browser, and I have just recently in the settings gone to advanced settings, and I'm going to do it right here so you realize that there is no browsing data here. No passwords, no nothing. Clear browsing data. I've created a box folder, and this is the folder in question. It's the LMGC, and in the LMGC the settings are to make it available to people in our company. After that, I went to the link to the folder, to the advanced settings, and I copied this embed code into a web page called BoxEmbedTest.html. So there's the code, here's the code, and we can now run it from my website. Remember, I'm using Chrome right now, and I've removed all settings, all cache data. So when I log into Box, this is what I get when I haven't logged in anyplace else. I do not have a Box CAS token at the moment, but I'm going to go get one. In the same browser, I'll log into CAS. So now this browser has a CAS token for Box. So I would expect this behavior to change, and that I would see a cloud for an added security measure. So the cloud I would just drag over and then be able to see it. So let's go up here and refresh the browser and see what happens. Well, lo and behold, it works. This doesn't work 100% of the time. In fact, on my boss's machine, just about an hour ago, Chris Corrente's, this behavior was also not duplicated, but you were asked to log in again. So now I'm going to go to another CAS site, and you notice that when I clicked login, it recognized the CAS token I'd already picked up from Sakai. So inside this website, I have the minutes in Box, and this too is behaving as expected. Let's go ahead and see if we can replicate those successful results in Firefox. So I've just moved Firefox over, and I have my standard Firefox settings right here where I do not cache data, and it's using 0 bytes of space. So here's my embed code. Let's go ahead and click enter. There you have it. I'm now going to change the settings from people in your company to people in this folder. The people in this folder include me. I'm one of the editors. So now let's select this. That's good. I've changed the settings to people in this folder, of which I am one, and I'm demonstrating now in Box, inside of Sakai, Box embed code inside of Sakai. Let's close Chrome and reopen Chrome. Let's log into Sakai. So we haven't logged into Box, only Sakai. I'm logged logged in as myself, and I'm one of the people, one of the collaborators in the group. I'm going to a course site in Sakai, and then I'm choosing my embed code here. I have a Sakai CAS token. I have not logged into Box directly, but I do have a Sakai CAS token, and doesn't look like I'm going to get access without logging in again. This is the behavior we need to change, is that if you have a CAS token from another application, Box should recognize it and not require you to log in again. So you've seen how it's supposed to work in Chrome and how it's supposed to work in Firefox. You've seen it work when you log in directly to Box to acquire your CAS token, and you've seen it fail when you're not, when you don't initiate your login from Box, but you initiate your CAS login from another application, in this case Sakai. Thank you very much for watching.